Hello, this is to help you learn how to upload an assignment. First things first, please make sure you go to the announcements every time. I just uploaded the week 4 overview. We also have the Watch for Your Success in case, well, for this semester, it was for students who are struggling a little bit. And then the week 3 overview, I put in information about MLA formatting. I have another announcement specifically for MLA formatting. So please look at the different posts. This is the MLA formatting video. Please look at the different announcements because that will only help you be successful in your education. This week's week 4 overview, I put in a number of links to different examples, to your assignments, and different aspects, making sure you're not late this week because your assignments really need to be on time because it's a chain reaction if they're not in on time between the outline, the rough draft, and the peer review. And I know you've been struggling with turning assignments in on time, so please make sure you do that. Going back to the home page, we go to the week 3 module. Here is the topic approval assignment that you need to turn in. It's very, very late at this point. First things first, on any assignment, please make sure, one, you note the due date. This is the due date in my time zone. For the BYU Idaho time zone, it would be January 19th at 11:59 p.m. that it is due. So it's very important to make sure you have that set up on yours so that you're not late for assignments, as I do on mine for my time zone. Then you're going to read through all the instructions, walking through each one of these, exploring things. It's the assignments are laid out to try and be as user-friendly as possible, and following the instructions. Down here, it gives you examples of questions, making sure that you have a should, is, or does questions because they are more divisive and debatable. Instead of the how, why, or what questions, which are more informative. We are doing a debatable argumentative essay, so we want the should, is, does type questions as shown here. Then you have the example for the topic approval that you can look at. This is not in MLA format. You will want yours in MLA format. And the other thing that I don't like about this example, I don't have control over this, is the questions. Again, we don't want the what questions or the how questions. Those lend to informative essays. We want the ones with should. Okay, then you're going to put your topic statement. What is it that you found as you were researching up here? And why did you choose that topic and that particular question? Here is the example that I attached to the comment on the assignment itself when I sent a comment over to you to show you how to put it in MLA format and what it looks like in the Word document. So making sure that, you know, the articles that are found are here, and then the questions are here. This person did is question, 2 should questions. They did a couple informative questions, which are good to ask for the part 1 aspect because you are going over the historical background, but you want this question to be for the whole entire essay. What is it you're arguing in the whole essay? So then this person chose, should we ban toddlers from watching television? Explained why, so on and so forth. Please making sure, again, you have the MLA formatted heading, the MLA formatted header. It's title is centered. The rest of the paper is double spaced. So from there, I double check my assignment. I looked at all the instructions. Now I'm going to go upload. It's a new attempt because I've already uploaded one. So upload file, choose file. I go into my essay examples, choose my example topic approval, open, and submit. That is how you upload a file. It will show you off to the side. You submitted it. It is late. Again, it's 10% penalty late for every day it's late. I'm giving a little bit of leeway this week, but in the comments I did say you had to have yours in a certain time, so you will have a late penalty on this particular assignment. Please get it in today. When it is graded, or even before it's graded, you could come over here, click on the topic approval. You can view the feedback once it's graded. Here's the assignment. You could click on that to make sure that you turn in the correct assignment. And you can also leave comments. At some point, when I leave a submission comment, you should be able to see the comments over here as well that I leave. If you have any questions, feel free to email me back. Thanks.